And thy staff make me stop the enemy with them poison. So plead my cause, oh Lord, cause the enemies, them a fight me hard. Thy rod and thy staff make me stop the enemy with them poison. Man a steel, man a lightning. When thunder a clap, it sound frightening. Black rain fall, it no fall lightly. When you're born and when you're dead, it untimely. Lord God, pandemic, whole crisis. Where the Buddha, where the Allah, where the crisis is weeping and mourning and gnashing of teeth. The people of the world need a better liberty, so plead my cause, oh Lord, cause the enemies, them a fight me hard.
Now, something weird is going on in Trinidad. Look at the screen in front of you. That's Mathew. And this guy owns an automobile spa, meaning he details auto and all sort of stuff. He has the biggest car show in Trinidad. And believe it or not, somebody went and killed this man. Now, I do have the video of him dead, laying on the ground, but I'm not going to show it in this. If you want to see it, you could click the link down below and log into the WhatsApp group. But everybody in Trinidad is shocked right now over the death of Mathew. And why I'm doing this, I am trying to appeal to the public to, if you have any information, link me up. You can link me up privately through WhatsApp. Well, the public answered the call, you know, and I got the lowdown on the culprit, and I think I did mention his name in the first video I did, but I'm gonna reveal who he is in this video. As stated in the first video, Mathew gets slapped away over in Diego Martin. Now, there was a lot of rumors running around, you know, saying that it's drugs, it's this, it's that. But I revealed that the young lady that he's been dealing with, I think they were in love, and she had a jealous baby father by the name of Cap, and he runs a little area out there in Diego Martin, and people on the streets have it that it's more than one person met demise behind this young man. The young lady flew out to England. After I did the video, she took down all her social media and everything. And, you know, like I say, it's plain as day what's going on here. And I would like to take the time to address domestic violence, because there is a lot of women and men in Trinidad, Jamaica, the Caribbean. You know me have to mention St. Vincent. They just strangled a young lady, find her dead in a St. Vincent, and I haven't talked about it, but I'm going to talk about it. Yeah, there's tons of domestic violence, and this case right here is the super case for domestic violence, because this young lady had to run away after this guy killed Mathew. And I have his picture and I'm going to release his picture right in this video right here. Look at the screen right there. That's Mathew. And if you look, that's his funeral, and he's being cremated. He had a beautiful funeral, was a decent guy, did a lot of good work in the community. Now, we're gonna move on to this young man right here. And this is the bottom feeder that it's alleged that took Mathew's life, because Mathew is dating or seeing the young lady that this young man have a kid with, and his name is Mr. Cap. Now, I told him that I would be getting his picture and I would be talking about him. Now, look at that picture. That's Cap right there. And let me tell you what he did. Mr. Can was operating in a sneaky way, no disrespect, cause what he would do, he would drive one car to a spot and then switch into another car. But Mr. Cap, the alleged killer, was watching his every move and had people watching him. And that night after Mr. Can finishing business, parking car, that's exactly where he had shot after. He parked his car, went to the girl house, do his thing, come back to his other car, and next thing you know, boom. And that's what happened. Now, Mr. Cap, I heard, has taken away himself and is in hiding. But I am letting John public know who the alleged killer is, and he's a jealous baby father. We call him a bottom feeder, and if anybody know where he is, please push him out. I heard he's in a country part, but like the Prime Minister said, how can people live amongst people when you know so they're out there killing people? I guess the whole country traumatized, just like Jamaica. And like, let me state it again, Jamaica and Trinidad, like I said, they are brothers and sisters. So, let me recap this. Mathew was buried. He had a good burial, a good funeral. Them cremate him, and you see how the Indian burial is. One thing about Trinidad, it's a very versatile, multicultural place. You understand? All sort of people is there, different religion, different things, from the Chinese to the Indian to the blacks to everything Spanish. Mr. Can was taken out, alleged by a jealous baby father who them say has done this many times before. So, Mr. Can, big up yourself, sir. You know, you did good while you were here. Was no drugs or nothing. But the police gonna catch that boy and close this case. I wanna know what's up. People know what's up out there. Okay? Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.